Today, we've got the brand new Shoei RF-SR2 on the bench. The original RF-SR that Shoei put out has become one of their more popular helmets, so they took it back and made little refinements here and there to put out the brand new RF-SR2. So let's dive in and take a look. It's always nice to see Shoei include the Pinlock system right out of the box, so that way you can change out real quick when you got those cool mornings or other riding conditions you want to change for. All right, onto the helmet. Right away out of the box, the RF-SR2 looks very familiar, but a lot cleaner than its original. Shoei updated the shell with a more modern RF profile while keeping the look that riders already know. Like every Shoei helmet, it's handcrafted in Japan and uses their AIM shell construction, using fiberglass and organic fibers to keep it lightweight while maintaining its overall structure and protection. The biggest updates are all about comfort. Shoei redesigned both the upper and lower intake vents, increasing airflow compared to the previous RF-SR, while also making the controls easier to operate with gloves on. They even added new half-open vent positions so you can fine-tune airflow a little better. Around the back, there's a redesigned spoiler that was developed in an air tunnel that's going to give you improved stability at speed. Inside, the liner is removable, washable, and adjustable. It's also compatible with Shoei's personal fitting system if you want to try customized fit. The RF-SR2 uses Shoei's proven CWR1 shield system, with quick shield changes and a precise seal around the eyes. As we mentioned earlier, the Pinlock EVO insert comes included, helping reduce fogging during cooler rides. For safety, it's DOT and SNELL certified, and it also includes Shoei's emergency quick release system to assist first responders if the helmet ever needs to be removed after an accident. The RF-SR2 isn't a complete redesign, and that's a good thing. Instead, Shoei took a popular helmet and improved it where it mattered most: ventilation, aerodynamics, comfort, and just everyday usability. If you're looking for a premium full-face street helmet, this is definitely one to keep your eyes on. The best part is you can get yourself a brand new Shoei RF-SR2 helmet at DennisKirk.com. Check it out today.